The Beginner's Guide to E-Commerce Success, 10 Steps to Lasting Prosperity. When starting e-commerce, everyone gets excited. Then, as we get into the business, we realize how much you need to learn. Starting an e-commerce business can be both exciting and challenging. While it may seem overwhelming at first, there are key steps you can follow to pave your way to success. In this beginner's guide, we'll walk you through the basics of achieving lasting prosperity in the world of online selling. Step 1. Choose your passion. Begin by selecting a niche that genuinely interests you. It could be something you're passionate about or have some knowledge of. This will make the learning process more enjoyable and help you stay motivated. Step 2. Market research simplified. Market research doesn't have to be intimidating. Start by observing your own buying habits and those of your friends and family. What do people in your circle buy online? Use this insight as a starting point for your niche selection. Step 3. Setting up shop. Creating an online store may seem daunting, but beginner-friendly platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy make it accessible. They offer templates and guides to help you build your store without the need for coding skills. Step 4. Product listings made easy. When adding products to your store, focus on creating clear and straightforward listings. Use your smartphone to take high-quality photos and write detailed yet simple descriptions. Highlight the benefits and features that matter most to your customers. Step 5. Learn the basics of search engine optimization. Search engine optimization (SEO) is essential for getting your store found by potential customers. Begin by learning about keywords and how to use them naturally in your product descriptions and titles. Step 6. Content for beginners. Start a blog within your online store to share your expertise and connect with your audience. Write simple, informative posts related to your niche. Over time, you can expand and improve your content as you gain experience. Step 7. Email marketing. 101 Email marketing is a powerful tool for building relationships with your customers. Sign up for an email marketing platform like MailChimp or Constant Contact and use their templates to create professional-looking emails. Send out newsletters and promotions to your subscribers. Step 8. Customer Service Essentials offer excellent customer service by responding to inquiries promptly and addressing concerns with care. Your dedication to customer satisfaction will set you apart from competitors. Step 9. Track your progress. Simplify data analysis by using basic tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website's performance. Pay attention to what products are selling well and which marketing strategies are working. Adjust your approach accordingly. Step 10. Stay curious and keep learning. E-commerce is a continuously evolving field. Stay curious and open to learning. Follow e-commerce blogs, join forums, and take online courses to expand your knowledge and skills. Conclusion: success in e-commerce is achievable for beginners when you take it one step at a time and stay committed to learning and growing. Remember, every successful e-commerce entrepreneur started as a beginner. Embrace the journey. And with dedication and persistence, you can achieve lasting prosperity in the world of online selling.